Good morning, everyone. Welcome to FinBuff. Today is 28th of May, and this is episode one on the new series called the Stock Selection Series for How to Trade. So, what stocks can we choose? So, if we look at the Nifty index has moved up in the last 2 days quite a bit, and it is at a level where I think it might face resistance at 9,600. We'll have to wait and see what really happens, but it looks like 9,600 might offer some resistance, and that might not be very easy for Nifty to break. Having said that, there's definitely been some up move in the market. So if 9,600 breaks, I think it can then move up to 9,800 level. In the meantime, let's try and see which stocks can we select and what's the reason behind it. Now let's look at PEL. PEL has been at 960 level for quite a few times. It has hit it once, twice, and this is the third time it's now at 960, and it's been trading there for the last three sessions. So I feel if it breaks 960, it can definitely give a very good move up. Similarly, let's look at HCL Tech. HCL Tech has been around 540 levels. It's come the third time now to 540 level. So I feel if it breaks the 540 level, it will definitely move up, and it can give us a good up move. So this is another stock that is there for the long side. And then we have Ramco. Ramco has been around the 615 level for the last 3 days now. So there's a good chance that it could give a good move up today. But we'll have to wait and definitely see how the market behaves first before we take a trade. I'm definitely including one stock for the short side, and that's Aura Farm. Reason for that is if you look at Aura Farm for the last 3 days, it has been at around the 713 level. And I feel that if it breaks the 713 level, it can give a good move to the downside. But with all these stocks, we definitely have to wait and observe and see how the market behaves and see if those levels are crossing, and only then take those trades. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And wish you good luck with today's trading.